Burping 23. Yeah, I hope you guys watched that video about me being assaulted by the treehouse. What the heck? Why am I acting like this? I'm completely. No! No! You gotta help me. No, you gotta. It's got my leg. It's got my leg. No. 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 Get off me. You fucking. No. 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 No, let me go. My fans need me. They like my burping video. No! 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 Ah! Ah! Oh, God. No, you can't do this to me. You can't. My fans, they need me. Yeah, that's right. Spit me out. I have your uvula. Help me. Yeah, that's it. I got you. You go. Throw me out. Throw me out. I don't want to be eaten. What the fuck was that? I'm sorry, I took 2 minutes of my rubbing. Oh, bitch! I killed the monster. I ripped out its uvula. The gag reflex is gone. So it choked on its own vomit. Okay, back to the show. Okay. By the way, I'm not possessed, just so you know. Oh, God. Oh, God! I'm possessed. Alright. Let's get back on track. Okay. Burp like a bear. Well, you guys burp like a bitch. I'm so awesome with my burps. By the end of this video, you're going to be crying like a little bitch. Okay, that failed. My burps are so awesome that they make you cry because you can't succeed in being so awesome with your burps. Which is why at the end of this video, you will be crying like a little bitch. Okay, enough with the cuss words. I'm sorry, guys. I just did that to make it a little funny for some people. Time for a long burp. Oh, that failed. That was long. Loud one and then long one. How about a loud and long one? Yeah, that was a loud one, I guess. Now for the long one. Nope. Let's retry the long one more time. Come on. Right, let's try to make a big, loud, and long. Rate this one on the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best. And put the time where I did this burp on there so I know this is the burp to watch it on the one you rated, because I might later on in the video say to rate another burp too. So make sure you put the time that the burp happened on the video, and put the rating of the burp next to it. So I failed. Rate this next burp, not that one I just did. This one. Rate this one, not the last one. Okay. That was a loud one, I guess. And now a long one. Oh no, I failed. I wonder if I burp downward like. And then I failed. At least this monster's dead, so. No! Not again! No, it's alive again. No, you're gonna help me. Oh god, I'm doing the splits down its throat. You got it. Oh god, that hurts. Oh god. Oh, that really hurts. Get the go of my leg. Let go of my fucking leg. Fucking rage. That was rage. Rick James. No! My fans! I'll save you. I found it. Second. Are you alive? Yeah, you're still. I hope you didn't die from falling. I can't tell. Because on the other side of this video, you're watching it. And if you died, I will kick this monster's ass. You can't see it, it's invisible. But I know it's there. By the way, we got a new game called Amnesia: The Dark Descent. And if you guys want me to make a video of me playing it, leave a comment. If you guys know what it is, if you want me to tape myself playing it, leave a comment. Alright? I warn you, the video's like, it would probably be a couple hours long. I'd have to make several videos. Maybe about 12 minutes long, probably. So, I've watched so many people play it, I know all how I need to play it and everything. But if you want me to play that, it's supposedly one of the scariest games on the planet. And if you want me to play that and tape myself playing it, leave a comment at the bottom. Okay. Now back to. No, one more burp. I'm almost out of time. So, not out of time, but I like stopping my videos at 9 minutes or 10. But on video games, I'll stop my video at 12 or 13 minutes. So, I really want to make that video for you guys of the Amnesia: The Dark Descent. But I'm not going to make it if you don't watch it. Alright? So, if I'm going to make a video, probably, about it, but if you watch it, if you're going to watch it, leave a comment at the bottom. I'm serious. I really want you guys to watch the video. I probably can't. I'll have to tape it with my pad and facing the computer, but please watch it. It's a really neat game. I don't know if you'll. I have an Amnesia demo that I did, but now I'm gonna play the full game. So. Okay, at the bottom, I'm gonna make a video, but promise me, at the bottom, make a promise in the comments that you'll watch it. If you watch it, I'll make 10 burping videos in one day. How about that? So, not 10 burping videos, more like 5. but I'll try to make them the best burping videos I can. I'll make them all big burps with the whoa. So, if promise me you'll watch the Amnesia Dark Descent, you will really like it. It is a very, very popular game. The graphics are awesome. You may not think so if you watch it on. I mean, since I'd be taping it on this tablet, the graphics might go down a little bit. But other than that, I think you'll like it. So, I'm gonna make a video of that. Now, if you're gonna watch it, tell me that you're going to watch it. All right, at the bottom. And if you can also tell me if you want me to make the video. I'm gonna make it no matter what. But if you want me to make the video and you're gonna watch it, just tell me at the bottom. One more burp for the ending. Oh god, that one didn't turn out real well, but okay. So, peace out. Tonight I'm going to make, probably, maybe tonight. I don't know if I can do it tonight, but I'll make an Amnesia Dark Descent. Just leave it in the comments that if you want me to make it, and if you want me to make it, tell me why. But I'm gonna make it, and you guys should watch it. So, because I've been waiting for a long time to get this game. Okay, and peace out, because I'm gonna make another video now. Peace out.